Now we are going to look at the preparation needed before the AIRVO 2 is taken to the patient's bedside. First, you will need a clean, disinfected AIRVO 2 humidifier. The AIRVO 2 needs to be cleaned and disinfected between patients. We'll talk about cleaning and disinfection in the reprocessing chapter. For now, check that the clean storage cover is sealed and its label is completed when you collect an AIRVO 2 humidifier from storage. Some hospitals leave the red disinfection tube in place instead of using the clean storage cover to indicate cleaning and disinfection has been carried out. Along with the AIRVO 2 humidifier, you will need the consumable accessories: an AIRVO tube and chamber kit, which contains an auto-fill water chamber, a chamber adapter, and a heated breathing tube, a bag of sterile water, and a patient interface from a range of nasal, tracheostomy, or mask adapter interfaces. These consumables need to be replaced for every new patient. For prolonged treatment, replace the tube and chamber kit every 14 days and the patient interface every 7 days. Setup is a 4-step process summarized at the top of the first page of the AIRVO 2 swing tag. First, we have to install the auto-fill water chamber. Remove the blue port caps. Unwind the water tube, but leave the water bag spike in the plastic bracket so that it stays clean. Fit the chamber adapter firmly onto the chamber ports. Be sure to push it on all the way. Clip the water tube into position and the chamber is ready. Slot the water chamber into the AIRVO 2 by pushing down on the finger guard, lining up the ports, and sliding the chamber into place. Push firmly on both sides of the port adapter to make sure the chamber is properly installed. Push it all the way until the finger guard clicks into place. The chamber is ready to receive water now. Hang the water bag and push the tube spike into the fitting. Open the vent cap and watch the water enter the chamber to check the level. The water should sit below this line. If the level rises above the mark, the chamber is faulty and must be replaced. The chamber maintains the water level automatically until the water bag is empty. A 2-liter water bag will typically last about 1 to 2 days. Check the AIRVO 2 manual for details. Now connect the heated breathing tube. The end with the blue sleeve attaches to the AIRVO 2. Slide the sleeve back and line up the connector with the port on the top of the AIRVO 2. Push the connector on and slide the sleeve down to lock the breathing tube into place. Clip the other end of the breathing tube into the mobile pole stand so that it remains clean. The AIRVO 2 is now ready for the patient. The setup procedure is summarized on the AIRVO 2 swing tag. Let's review the main steps. First, install the water chamber. Then connect the water supply. And check the water level is below the mark. Connect the breathing tube. Finally, take the AIRVO 2 and the interface to the patient's bedside.